There's another one here. Aurobindo Market. Hello, how are you, brother? Very healthy looking fruits. ये नाम कैसे रखा है मतलब? What is the name of this shop? So what is the price of this Levi's? कौन से दिन में बंद रहता है ये market? And now we are inside the market. Amazing collection. Okay, so this is the restaurant. Look at this. That's the park. This is the market. 20 का एक चटनी देता है साथ में. Welcome to my channel, dear friends. Today I've exited the Voskhod metro station from gate number 3 and it is on yellow line, and I am going to Aurobindo Market, which is not very far from here. It's almost 2.1 kilometers and it will take me around 9 minutes to reach there. And as you exit from this gate, you see all these cafes and some other shops. There's a juice shop over there, and then there are so many auto rickshaws parked outside, and there's a guy who is selling some snacks. I think it's a green pea and some tomato and some other things. And this lady is selling idli. I think she's selling a South Indian dish. Okay, coconut and ice cream. And there is a garden here. Now I'll walk on this footpath. So much of greenery. So we have to take left from there. So that's the direction to Aurobindo Marg. So let's just take this route. So we are almost there, and this is a small market before reaching Aurobindo Market. There's a gym here. It's a well-equipped gym, and I think we have to turn right from there. There are some cafes here, and it's very cozy actually. Look at this, very nice. There's another one here by the name Tan, and then you have more cafes. Aurobindo Market is over there. We have to cross this road and then get to the other side. Let me show you the road. This is the road crossing. If you don't want to cross this on foot, then you can actually take the skywalk there. So now we can cross the road. As you can see here, that leads to the metro station from where I exited, and there is a footbridge over there. That's a skywalk. You can cross the road using that. And these are some of the vehicles all in queue waiting for the light to turn green. And that's the other side, and you can see that there's a well made footpath. You can cycle here, or you can actually walk, or even just sit. Okay, so we are almost at the market. There are so many nice buildings around this place. Now let's turn and look at that. That's from where we came. Look at that. Now this is the market, Aurobindo Market. Hello, how are you, brother? So people are very friendly here, and these are auto rickshaws waiting for passengers. And this is an ice cream guy. Okay, I'll let the car pass first. And look at this. This is the market. We are almost there. It's not a very big market, but it's a nice market, decent market. Just outside the market you see some stalls, and okay, we'll go till there. We'll go around this market first, and then after that we'll enter the market. Okay, so there is a good space for parking your car, and I think I'll just enter from here. There must be an entrance. Okay, I think it's over there. Okay, This guy sells fruits, fresh fruits. Nice, very healthy looking fruits. Look at this. There's orange, then so many varieties of fruits. This is how the market looks. Look at this. So we'll go around this market first. We'll cover the outer part, and then after that we will enter the inner part. And you can hear the bird calling in the background. Look at this. This is a cafe, and it's a cafe and cakery, so you get coffee as well. And then there's a church just across the road, and then there are many shops just over there. And then this is a jeweler. You can see so many necklaces and other ornaments. And this one is silver art jewels. Okay, so this is the inner part. We will enter that as well. Right of admission reserved, so it's a club, I guess. So it's called Summer House. And we are at a place where you get Indian street food. Look at the ladies, they're enjoying the food. Look at. कैसा हाल है जी? ये औरबिंदु मार्केट है ना?
Yes.
अच्छा अच्छा, ये नाम कैसे रखा है, मतलब उसी का है क्या?
ये मार्केट जब बना था,
हाँ जी,
तो इसका जो प्रधान थे मार्केट के हमारे, वो
अच्छा।
बंगाली थे।
ओके,
तो उन्होंने अपनी पसंद से रख दिया।
अच्छा, कितना साल के पहले, मतलब कितना साल पहले?
आज कम से कम 45 साल के आसपास हो गए होंगे इसमें।
45, 45।
यस।
ओके ओके ओके, थैंक यू। आप क्या क्या बेचते हैं इधर?
टिक्की है,
टिक्की, आलू चाट,
ये सारी आइटम के फोटो लगे हुए हैं, ये सारी
ओके। असली वाला का ही फोटो लेता हूँ इसका। अच्छा, दीज आर द आइटम्स सोल्ड एट दिस स्टॉल। यहाँ पे ये सब है। अच्छा, और कितने बजे बंद होता है ये?
रात 9:30।
ओके ओके, तो मैं थोड़ा घूम लेता हूँ। थैंक यू। सो दे आर वेरी हेल्पफुल, एंड we'll just see what is there behind this. There's a tailor, Master Ji is here. कैसा हाल जी सर? ठीक है ना? ये मार्केट खुला रहेगा शायद ना थोड़ा देर तक, तो 9 बजे तक,
8:30 तक।
8:30 तक। अच्छा अच्छा, थैंक यू। ओ, यहाँ पे तो नहीं कुछ भी? अच्छा, खाली है ये ना पीछे? ओके, सो दिस इज द बैक साइड ऑफ द मार्केट। अंदर जा सकता है ना इधर से? ओके ओके, थैंक यू जी। कॉफ़ी शॉप, as you can see here, this is a jeweler's shop. So this is the same shop that I've just showed you, Pyare Lal and Sons Jewelers, and these are silverware, I guess. Oh, beautiful, look at this. Look at this. There's another jeweler, and this is optician, and this is a Bean gift club, so you get souvenirs and all the gifts here. Look at this, it's very pretty, very beautiful. Oh, this is art gallery, collectors art gallery. So Jewelers India, I think this is, it used to be a jewelers shop, now it has turned into an ethnic wear shop, I guess, right?
Hello,
Hello, hi. What is the name of this shop? Kilor. Okay, okay, okay. So when did you open this? When was this opened, I mean? Or
7 years ago.
7 years ago. Okay, that means this jeweler used to be here before 7 years. Okay, okay. You have not changed the name. Naam nahi badla na? Okay, quite okay. Thank you. Thank you, brother. Thanks. Okay, so there's another jeweler here by the name Vyasa.
And what
Look at that.
what is your name of YouTube?
Oh, it's a Hawk Studio.
Hawk Studio.
Hawk Studio. HOK Studio.
You are on YouTube?
Sorry? On YouTube. Yeah, on YouTube. Yeah. What's your name?
Amit Tiwari.
Amit Tiwari. Thank you, brother. Thanks, Amit ji. Okay, so there's Anand Jewels and the white. So this is a dry cleaner. So many jewelry shops, and this is a mobile shop, I guess. And this is Ma'am and Sahib, and this is a lingerie shop. Okay, and then we have more shops there, and there's a park over there, children's park. So I came from there and I entered from there. We will continue to film this shop. So this are ethnic Indian ethnic wears, formal dresses. Oh, you have a Levi's jeans as well. Very nice one. So what is the price of this Levi's?
Right?
Levi's
20 starting from 26.99.
26.99. Is this original? Okay.
Price.
Okay, starting price. Okay. Okay. Thank you. I'll come back. I'll film this. Okay. So it's a fruit shop. Look at this. Wow. Look at the variety of fruits. दाल भी रखे हैं आप लोग. यार इतना कमाल का है भाई. कितने बजे तक खुला रहता है ब्रदर? 8:30 ना. और सुबह कितने बजे खुलता है? 8:30. अच्छा, यानी कि 12 घंटे. और कौन से दिन में बंद रहता है ये मार्केट? अच्छा, ये तो खुला रहता है
वैसे मंगलवार को बंद रहती है मार्केट.
मंगलवार को ना. अच्छा, सिर्फ फ्रूट्स ही नहीं, सब्जियां भी है मतलब. ओके, सब्जी भी है ना, वेजिटेबल्स. देन यू हैव डेयरी प्रोडक्ट्स. बढ़िया है. आलू भी है, टमाटर. ये रेट बाहर का एक ही है क्या ब्रदर? ना थोड़ा अब थोड़ा क्योंकि प्रिजर्व अच्छा जगह रखा है ना.
क्वालिटी.
हाँ, तो क्वालिटी भी अच्छा है. थैंक यू. आवाकाडो कैसे दे रहे हैं ब्रदर?
620 per kg.
ओके, कितना तक आ जाता है ये पीस?
4 piece.
4 pieces.
1 kg.
Thank you. Thank you. So Prem Sons, look at this. Oh, I like that shirt, polo shirt. Oh, oh, these are toys. It's a toy shop. Look at this, Maya Toys. You have so many kinds of toys. Wow, children will definitely love this place. And this is the utensils shop. Okay, great. So these are crockery, and now we are inside the market. Look at this. This is a quality dairy. You get paneer bandar. It's paneer or paneer like that. Oh, this is Midland bookshop. There is one at Southex part 1 में है ना शायद ना, Midland part 1 में है ना, जो basement में है. अच्छा अच्छा. These are literature books. As you can see, Penguin amazing collection. हर तरह का बुक मिल जाता है ना, बुक्स. अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक है जी. Oh, it's a shop with so many things. Look at this. Dry fruits, brother. ऊपर जाने का रास्ता भी है ना शायद, इधर से ना. Okay. So look at this. Ladies footwear. And then you can go upstairs as well. We'll go upstairs. It's a nice market. You have more toys for children. These are Hot Wheels, and then so many other. कैसे हो brother? ठीक है ना? Okay जी. See, ladies clothes, clock and watches shop. You have clocks, more clocks, and this is a jeweler, and that's children's clothes. Look at this. Wow. Now we'll go upstairs. ऊपर क्या क्या चीज़ है ब्रदर?
ऊपर यहाँ तो कोई ज़्यादा नहीं है. एक रेस्टोरेंट है, डोसा रामेन के और कपड़ों की दुकान है.
अच्छा, इधर से चढ़ते हैं ना. ओके, थैंक यू जी, थैंक यू. सो विल गो अपस्टेयर्स. भाई कहाँ गया? इधर से जाता है ना ऊपर. थैंक यू जी. आई थिंक देयर इज अ साउथ इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट बाय द नेम दासा प्रकाश. इट्स ओरिजिनली साउथ. अच्छा. Okay, so this is the restaurant. Look at this. Wow, beautiful. क्या क्या मिलता है यहाँ पे? साउथ इंडियन. ओह अच्छा, मैंने सोचा सिर्फ साउथ इंडियन मिलता है. सब मिलता है ना? कितने बजे से कितने बजे तक खुला रहता है?
मॉर्निंग में चलता है सुबह साउथ इंडियन.
अच्छा.
6 to 11 AM ब्रेकफास्ट.
ओके ओके.
और बाकी का फिर 11 से स्टार्ट हो जाता है.
अच्छा अच्छा.
और सिग्नल चैनल.
ओके, व्यू भी अच्छा है ना यहाँ से, बाहर का व्यू भी देख सकता है. वाह. और ये है काउंटर. ओह, पेंट्री. ओके. पान भी मिलता है. बढ़िया है. वॉशरूम है. ओके. लुक एट द सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट. वाह. I just want to show you. देखिए, wow. I think somebody has finished eating. Look at the view. Look at the view. Look at the fruit guy, the fruit seller there. It was from there that I entered this market. Yeah, thanks. Thank you very much. Thanks. Wow, nice restaurant. Okay, this is the kitchen. And look at this. Look at the view. That's the park. So we'll exit this market and we will now just cover the outer part of this section of the market. Look at this. This is a jewelers shop and it's by the name Paramani Jewels. Look at this, amazing. Wow. And then another one is there. It's by the name Kasturi Fine Jewelry. Oh, look at this. Oh, this is a big shop. टॉय शॉप है ना मैंने बच्चों के लिए ना ठीक है वाह सुंदर है and this is sanitary wear shop ठीक है ना okay there's another one oh it's a jewelers shop oh so many jewelry shops here that's the park. Okay, let's go close to the park. And this is the children's park. And look at the market. This is the market. Look at the flowers. There's a florist. So this is the place where you get snacks and then biryani as well. बिरयानी मिलता है अच्छा अच्छा प्लेट कैसे देते 70 चिकन अरे बहुत सारे कुत्ते हैं इसमें तो look at this there are so many shops and you have a samosa shop as well this must be a very popular shop wow look at the samosa कैसे दे रहा है समोसा ब्रदर 20 का एक चटनी देता है साथ में और ये ब्रेड पकौड़ा अच्छा चाय भी मिलता है ना ठीक है सो दिस इज अ वेरी नाइस प्लेस एंड दैट्स द Aurobindo market we have already seen that place so if you go straight then you get Oscar's village there are so many bars and there is a monument as well so I have already covered that so I'll put it on the I button here or here so that's all we will wind up here for today so if you like my video please don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you are new to this channel and please give it a like so that's the South Indian restaurant from where I filmed this part of the road